The last group we have here, this is a little bit different. We said because they don't have a left hand, they only have a right hand only when there's letters from other groups coming before these letters. If any letter from the other groups come before these letters, they're gonna have just the right hand. These letters can reach the letters before them. They only have a right hand. They don't have left hand. We have the first one. It's a or a, e. If it has hamza on the top or the bottom, we're gonna pronounce it like a. So we have a, u, e, and this is a. This one always only accepts sukun. It doesn't accept any other haraka. And here with the hamza, it doesn't accept the shadda. You cannot double it. So we have a, u, e, or you could say an, un, in. It accepts the tanween. The second one here, we have da, du, di, ad, adda, addu, addi, dan, dun, din. The, thu, the, adh, adha, adhu, adhi, then, thun, thin. Ra, ru, ri, ar, arra, arru, arri, run, run, rin. Za, zu, zi, az, azza, azzu, azzi, zan, zun, zin. Wa, wu, wi, aw, awwa, awwu, awwi, wan, wun, win. When they come in the beginning of the word, this group they're gonna look just like that. When they come in the beginning, they're just the same shape of the original shape. So when they come in the beginning, they will just look like the original shape. Just like that. In the beginning and the top, or hamza at the bottom. So, and this is da and the, and then you have ra, and then za, wa. So that's how they look like when they come at the beginning of the word. Now, when the middle and the end, I'm just gonna assume that there is a letter from other groups that come before them. So I'm just assuming, okay? Otherwise, they're not gonna have any hands. They're gonna be separate. If the word is consisted of these letters of this group, there's no connection whatsoever. There's always gap. But I'm gonna assume that there are letters from the other groups that come before them. So they will look like just one hand, just right hand. They don't have left hand. So that's in the middle. They will look like this. Okay, so you make it a little bit curvy here, like a little curve, to make it different from the na and the. And this is the, and then ra, and then za, and wa. But yeah, they have only right hand, and I'm assuming that the letter that before them is from the other groups, And then the end, they will look like the same. Same thing. Hamza on top, hamza. You have da. Could make it a little bit like this to make it different from the na and the ya. The, ra, za, and then wa. We gave example. This is example of the letters. They are from the same group, as you see. Za, wa, ra. When the word is from the same group, the letters are from the same group, there's no connection. There's always going to be gaps. So you're just going to put them as they are. So this is za, u, ur. Zur. Zu, dhamma. Zur, sukun, sukun. Zur. See that? Now, if there are other letters from the other group, that's what's going to happen. So we have ma, and then we have da from this group in the middle, and then ra in the middle, and then sa. So what's going to happen here, the ma will be connected with the da. Just the right hand and then da, this is da. Now the da with the ra, they're not gonna connect because there's no left hand. As we said, it's only right hand. So the ra will go there without any connection. And then also the ra, as it does not have a left hand, so it's not going to be able to reach the sa. So you're going to put the sa also separate without any connection. So that's how we write it. Mudarris. Mu, da, irri, mudarri. This is shadda, irri, mudarri, mudarris, sukun. You don't have to leave a big gap. You don't have to leave a very big gap, but just like there is a gap. There's no left hand, that's why.